Is Shopify dropshipping dead? You may be asking yourself, can you still make money on Shopify? Shopify, it is not dead. You can able to make a lot of money selling your own dropshipping stores here using Shopify. As you can see that I'm in access to Shopify. I will show you how to use Shopify the right way. But first of all, if you want to get access to Shopify's 30 days free trial, you can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Now, let me show you how to add your own Shopify products here. You're gonna go to this feature called products. Then here, if you already have an existing product, you can also import them. But now in this video, let me show you how you can to add your own products on Shopify. Just click here on add product. Then you have to write your own title here. As you can see that it can be short sleeve t-shirt for men. You have to write your own title here. This is how it is. Then you're gonna go to this page for description. You have to write a product description that you will be selling on Shopify. But I use this AI tool from Shopify, which write for me automatically any product description for me. I'm gonna put the keywords here, and then after that, I'm gonna use the tone of voice. So the tone to be an expert. Just put the related keywords about the product that you want to sell. I'm gonna keep it. Then you're gonna go to image. As you can see, this is the content description that has been writing this AI feature from Shopify. I'm just gonna keep this one. Then you're gonna go to media. Then under media, you have to upload images or videos to your own Shopify store. It's so simple. Then you can go to category. Under category on Shopify, you can choose the related categories to your products that you'd be selling here. Okay, you can also choose the product type. You can also select the vendor. You can also choose the collections. You can also put the tags here on Shopify. Now I'm gonna go to pricing. Then for the price, you have to put the price that you'd be selling your products. I'm gonna put my price here on Shopify. And then you can also put the compare price. You can also put the comparison price there. It's up to you, but I'm just gonna put for the sake of this video. Then you can also put the cost per item, like how much is costing you to buy this product in your supplier. Shopify is gonna show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making whenever someone places an order. Then for the inventory, you're gonna leave like default, the track quantity, just leave like default. Then for the shop location, it's up to you. You can also put them when it's out of stock. You can also unselect there. This is how it's easy to add your own Shopify products on Shopify. You're gonna click here to save. Then you can also check the collections on Shopify, how many collections you have. You can also check the inventory, how many stock orders you have. You can also check the purchasing orders. You can also do transfers. You can also do, this is how you can able to transfer money on Shopify. You can also do transfers. You can also check the gift card. Now you can also go to customers. Then under customers, you can see your customers details here, like your full customer details. You can check them here. You can also go to the meta objects. You can also choose the meta objects here, and the files. You can also upload the files here. You can also go to analytics, and analytics on Shopify is going to help you to check on how your store it is performing on a specific day or on a specific month. You can also check the total sales here on Shopify. You can also check the online store sessions, like how many visitors you have in your store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate. If you're getting 12% conversion rate, it means your store is converting very, very well. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling, let's say, five products, you can also check the top selling products so that you can scale the products that are getting the more orders in a Shopify store. You can also go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email follow-ups, to send emails on customers who went through on the checkout but they never purchased. You can remind them via email so that you can get more orders. You can also offer some discount, guys, okay? Especially on holidays, you can offer 5% discounts so that you can get more orders in your Shopify store, guys, okay? So Shopify, it is not that you can still make money on Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get access to the Shopify 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Guys, take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Shop.